Alright, so we're going to start by looking at how to open up the ledger accounts with a balance. At the end of every accounting period, these permanent accounts will have to start with a balance, so we're going to set that up. You can see down at the bottom there's tabs for each of the accounts with their account number. All you have to do is take this information that's given to you, your account name, account number, and balance, and I'll show you how it's done. If we look at cash and bank first, it's already been done for us. In the account line, you just put the account name, the account number, whatever number has been assigned to it goes in the account number. You set up the date just like you do on the general journal. The first line will be the year. The second line will be the date. In this case, we're doing the first day of the accounting period, so May 1st. In the description, we just write the word balance. We put an X in it because we don't need to post-reference this at all. This isn't an actual account, we're just doing the balance. Since cash and bank has a debit balance, that amount goes in the debit balance column. So you can see it doesn't tell us, we just know cash and bank has a debit balance, so it goes in the debit balance column. These are just for the individual transactions. These columns are just for the running total, the balance after each transaction. For asset accounts or anything that has a normal debit balance, it will always be in this column only. You'll never have a credit balance here. You might have credit transactions, in which case you'd subtract from this number, but you will only have balances in the normal balance column. So we take a look at the second one, is accounts payable. This one's already been set up too, so account name, accounts payable Knight Systems. Number was 206. Again, this happened on May 1st, 2014. We're doing a balance, so we just write balance in the description. There's no transaction here. It is just what we're writing the balance because liabilities have a credit balance. The balance starts here. Again, you will only have balances in the credit balance column. It will not bounce back and forth. In the transaction side, which we'll see in the next demo problem, this will bounce back and forth depending on what happened in the transaction, and then it will always affect just this column. Okay, so let's set one up right now. We have our third one. This one is blank. Okay, so we go to our instructions and we see J. Parker Capital, account 301, has a $4,000 balance. So if we set it up, account name is J. Parker Capital. Account number is 301. This is occurring 2014, May 1st. We're recording a balance, so that's what we put here. The post-reference column, we just put an X to show that we've done it. Capital, we said it was $4,000. Capital has a normal credit balance, so we just put $4,000 in that column, and we're done. So let's do withdrawals, same thing. Withdrawals, number 302 for $600. So we'll set up this ledger. J. Parker withdrawals. This was account number 302 on 2014, May 1st. Balance. Just an X that it's been done. Withdrawals have a normal debit balance, I forgot the amount, for $600. So in the debit balance column, we just put $600. Okay, and then you'll do the same thing for the last two. We'll go through them real quick. Professional fees, 401 for $1,800. So professional fees is the name of the account. 401 is the account number. May 1st, balance, X. Revenue has a credit balance, so we go 1,800 here. Okay, and then the last one is advertising expense. Take a look at what that is, 501 for 200. So advertising expense. Make sure you write the entire account name as it's written. Don't try and shortcut it. 501, May 1st, 2014. We're doing the balance, X. And we know expenses have a debit balance. I forgot again. For 200. So in the debit balance column, we just put 200. Now all our accounts are set up. We'll be ready to post to these ledger accounts as the general journal gets completed.